What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to remove the outer taillights on a 2005 Honda Civic. Like I said, this is a 2005 Civic here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in order to remove the taillights, the first thing we need to do is remove the rear bumper cover. So in order to remove the rear bumper cover, there's 8 items that we need to remove. The first 2 we're going to take a look at are up underneath the bumper. There's going to be this fastener right here, and then there's another one right there. So in order to remove those, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver. What you want to do is get your screwdriver in there, and the middle of the fastener is going to come down like that. And once you get it popped down, that whole thing will come out. And if your fastener's never been off there, there might be some dirt and debris in there that you'll kind of have to wiggle loose in order to get it out of there. But we'll take those 2 out on the bottom. Then if we open our trunk lid, we're gonna see this cap right here, and there's another one over there. I'm gonna grab a flathead screwdriver and come over here and get that cap off, and that's gonna expose this 10mm bolt. So take that one out, take that one out, and then if we come around the side, we're going to see this bolt right here that my finger's on. That's an 8mm bolt. And then there's a Phillips head screw right here. And we're looking at the driver's side. If you go over to the passenger side, there's this Phillips head screw and that 8mm bolt. There's one of those in the exact same location on the passenger side. So those are our 8 items that we need to remove. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those, and then I'll check back in the next shot. And now the bumper's ready to come off. So what you wanna do is start on one side, and you're just gonna pull out like this, and then go to the other side, and we're gonna do the same thing. Then once you get the 2 sides off, the whole thing will come off like that. And now that we got the bumper off, there's some trim in the trunk that we need to pull back. If we take a look right here, we see this fastener. How we're gonna remove that is we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and unscrew the center of that fastener. And after you unscrew it, the whole center will pull out. Then after you get the center off there, you can grab this carpet and peel back. And then we see the back side of our taillight here. The first thing we wanna do back here is unscrew the bulb sockets. There's 2 of them. So you just wanna grab them and turn them counterclockwise, and they'll come out like that. And we'll just kinda push those to the side. Now there's 3 8mm nuts that we need to remove. Here, here, and here. So remove those 3. And then if we go take a look at the front, there's 2 10mm nuts that we need to remove here and here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 5 nuts, and I'll check back in the next shot. Okay, so we got those 5 nuts off that we looked at in the previous shot, and now this taillight's ready to come off. So we'll just pull out like that. The one thing I did want to point out, if you're replacing your taillight, you'll need to pull this piece off of the old one and put it on your new one by taking that Phillips head screw out. And from there, to put it back together, you reverse everything we just did. So, kind of a lot of steps involved, but not overly complicated. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.